Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this new Western Money Tracker website, which allow users to track their payments. So it has a real-time payment tracking system in here. And also email notification. So once your payments status has been updated, you will receive an email of the progress, and also you can also track it real time. So this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this website and how you can manage this website on how to use this website too. All right, so let's get straight to the point. Now, this is the home page of the website. You can see it's a very basic website. You can see the layout and design has been done properly for you. Images and everything has been done already for you. So it's just a one-page website, nothing too complex here. You can see it has a logo and everything here already. So basically, how it works is just have to come here, click on track payment here, or and just come here and click on track now. So just click on track now. Okay, click on track now. Just give it time to load. Okay, so once you look, you can see track your payment, enter your 10-digit money transfer control number MTCN to check status of a transaction. So I'll just input my number here. So just click on track now. Okay, just give it time to load. Now you will see the status of each payment for this particular transaction here. Okay, now you can see sending 1,000 pounds to Jessica Wayne. Transfer created. You can see the status here. The first status was processing July 8, 2025. You can see the time, the notes we are processing the transfer. You can see in progress. You can see the date was updated. You can see when the money finally sent to the users. You see 1,000 pounds as paid to Jessica Wayne. You can see the date and everything here. Money has been processed. You can see transfer details. You can see the sender. You can see the receiver. You can see the amount. So basically, this is just how this particular website actually works. So now I'm going to show you guys the admin side, where you can actually add this payment. Then when users come here, then they can track this particular payment. So let me log into the admin real quick now, so you can see that. Okay, since I've logged into my admin dashboard, you can see it's just very basic. You can see money transfer trackers. You can view and manage all money transfer records here. You can see this is the one I tracked just now. You can see the sender, receiver, the amount, status, transfer created. You can see the date it was added. In here, you can edit to change the status. You can delete, or you can copy the number or view the details, and also you can see the view updates here too. Now, what I have to do now is just to add a new transfer. Okay, click on add transfer. Okay, now I'm going to add a new transfer. You can see add money transfer. You can see my MTCN has been automatically generated for me. This will be sent to the receiver's email address to be able to track this particular payment here. All right, so let's say the sender name, I can put this person here, and sender's name, I can just put contact, just put this. Then email, I can put this, and receiver info. Okay, receiver's name, I can put or let's say Jessica. Then contact, I can just put the person's number here. I can just say wherever the number is, I can just put that there. And also you can, let me edit this real quick. Okay, then the receiver's email. So make sure this receiver email is actually correct, because the receiver actually receive an email once this particular transfer has been added, so that they can actually know what you are doing. Okay, so let's say the receiver's email is Jessica at gmail.com. Okay, then the amount you want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer 10,000. 10,000. Okay, so I have to actually select the currency. So you have a lot of currency here. We have USD, Europe, GP, GBP. We have NGN. We have, so there are a lot here. So I'm just go with dollar USD. Just click on that. All right. So you can see the status here can be transfer created, processing, in progress, or paid out. So I'll just put transfer created here. So taking all the information, if it's correct, just click on add transfer. All right. So just click on add transfer real quick. Then just wait for it to finish processing, and can see money transfer tracking added successfully. Click on OK. All right. Now I can choose to get this it here. I can copy this particular, just copy this particular tracking number. Okay, or just copy it like this. Then go back to the website, put in the number, click on track payment, track now. Okay, just wait for it to load. I can see sending $1,000, $10,000 to Jessica. I can see transfer created status. You can see no status updates available for this transfer yet. Now, what I have to do now is to go to the admin sidebar. Now, click on edit. This particular one here, click on edit here. All right. Once you click on edit, you have to you'll be able to actually change the status for this particular payment to, you can see all the details here. Then you can change the status to, let's say, processing. All right, so you can select the date. The date, you can say the date should be, let's say, the 12th. Okay, and put the time there. Then additional note, you can say payment is being processed. Then what I have to do is just to click on update transfer. Okay, so once this update has been done, the receiver will get an email that the transfer has been updated to processing. Then once the users come back to the website, okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, once the user comes to the website here and paste in the tracking number, the user will be able to see the details here. Okay, let's just wait for it to load so we can actually see what we are doing. Okay. No updates yet, as that's been updated. Let me see. All right, so I just have to reload the page again so we can actually see the changes. You can see status this, I did just now, status detail, you can see processing, July 12, 2025, you can see the time, note payment is being processed. So that's just how this particular page actually works. So the admin side, you can choose to edit it to either processing or paid out. So you can just change the status to in process, in progress, or paid out. Once it clicks on paid out, user will get an email that this status has been paid successfully to the person's account and all that. Yeah. So that's just how this particular edit actually works. So let's go back to the dashboard so we can check out other features here. Okay, so let's go back there. Now we have delete. You can choose to delete this particular transaction, or yeah, then this place you can copy this. Click on here, you can just copy this MTCN automatically. While if you click on here, you can view the details. Click on that real quick. You can view the details of this particular transfer. Okay, you can see the name, the status contact, basically all the details here, and that's just that for that. Okay, that's just that for that. So, and we also still have here, which is settings. Okay, let's give it time to load first. Okay, here we have the settings here where you can set the site name and the site URL. So let's just wait for it to load. You can see it's changed the site name, the site email, and the site URL here. So that's just that for this admin dashboard. So if you click on account here, you can choose to change the admin details to wherever you want. So basically, this is how the site actually works. The next thing I will show you guys how to do now is to how you can set up this website for yourself or for your clients in less than 5 minutes. So now, once you have gotten your domain name and hosting and you have logged into your cPanel, you take you straight to this dashboard. So if you don't know how you can get your domain name and hosting, just contact the number in the video description. We'll guide you on how you can get your domain name and hosting. So once you have logged into your cPanel, to take you straight to this dashboard here. So for this, I'm going to be uploading it in a subdomain which I've created already, domains. Okay, I have this domain here, which is let's see, let it load. Okay, let it load. Okay, it's loading. You can see loading here, and I created this domain here, which was test one. Okay, this is it here, test one. So just click on this public underscore HTML. If you want to upload just in the main directory, just click here. Actually, the same. You can see main domain. You can just click here. Since I'm uploading a subdomain, just click here. It's actually the same process what I'm doing. All right, so let's give it time to load. So after going to this dashboard, you see something like this. Don't worry about that. Just click on upload right here. Upload. All right, so click on select file. Okay. Once you select the file, you have to actually select it, the particular file from your computer where it's been saved. Okay. Just give it time to load. Okay, I've located the file here. Okay, just click on open. That's the zip file. So you just have to wait for it to finish uploading before we can proceed to any other thing. So as you can see here, it's uploading. So once it finish uploading, you see this color will change to green. So let's just wait for it to finish uploading before we can actually proceed to do anything. Okay, you can see the color is green now. So just have to cancel this here. Okay, then just click on reload. Okay, just wait for it to load, then click on right click on extract, then click on extract files. So let's give it time to load so we can proceed. Okay, after doing that, click on close, reload this page, did the zip file here, then click on reload, then double click into this folder, click on select, click on move, then remove this folder name, which is tracklet, then it should just show just your subdomain you created. If yours is in the main directory, it just looks something like, it just be something like this. So since mine is a subdomain, I just have to leave it like this. Then click on move files, and perfect. So done with that. Now this is it. Yeah. Now there's an installation guide here, which you can see how to use this particular, or to set this particular website up. Okay. All right. So I can see version is 7.4. Page version should be 7.4. So just go back here, search for PHP multi PHP manager. Click on that. Okay. Version should be 7.4. So let's wait for it to load. And test one. Okay. So already once you click on that test one, you see because it's already 7.4. You just have to come here. If yours is different, just have to come here and make it 7.4 and click on apply. So we have done that. So and to set up our database, look for a DB file and set up according to your details. So let's create our database real quick. So come back here, search for DB wizard, click on that. Then we have to create our database. So let's say Western one. That's my database name, Western one. So I like to use the same name for everything. So I'll just copy this real quick. Click on next step. Okay. Then you have to create the what do you call it? The user, DB user. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so just paste that here. What you copied before, paste that here. Then the password, copy this and paste it here, and paste the password again. So let's see. Okay, so click on create user. Okay, click on create user. So let's wait for that to finish creating. While that is creating, let's locate our file, our db.php file. This is it here. Right click and click on edit, edit. Okay, so while that's loading, let's go back and see. Okay, this part has finished uploading. So just click on all privileges and scroll down, click on make changes here. Okay, while that's loading, okay, that's finished creating. So once I like using the same name for everything, so that my DB name, password, and username will actually be the same thing. So once I'm setting up my database, it'll be very easy for me to do. So just copy this name here since everything is the same. Go back to my db.php, just paste that here, paste that here, and paste that here. Once I'm done with that, click on save. Okay, click on save. Then what you have to do next is to set up our SMTP so users can receive mail. So we just have to look for functions.php, which is this one, edit, and click on edit. Then you can see you can just change in your host, which is your domain name, your email, webmail you created, the password, and just set it up. Once you're done with setting up your details, just click on save here, and you are done with that. So let me cancel this and see what is next. Then go to SQL folder to locate your database.sql file for database. So go back to our file, SQL folder, click on it. Then we have to download this particular file. Okay, so let me download this real quick to my computer. Okay, you can just click on right click and click on download. So while that's downloading into my computer, I'll just go back to, okay, that's finished downloading. You can see that there. Go back to my cpanel, just search for php myadmin. This one, just click on php myadmin, click on that. Then that particular database name you created, just have to locate it here. All right. Okay, give it time to load so we can actually see what we're doing. So while that's loading, let's check out our installation guide and see. Okay, just finished loading. So let's look for the database we created, which was Western one. Look at it here, click on it. Okay, this one here, just click on it. Then we have to import, click on import here, this one here, click on import. So actually you have to import that database we created, we downloaded just now. So click on browse file here. Okay, let's browse out here so that we can import our SQL. Okay, so let me go to my downloads. Okay, let's give it time to load. Okay, so the database we downloaded, let me see, where is it? Okay, this is it here. Just click on open. So after see it has uploaded there, just have to scroll down, click on import. So once that's finished importing, you will see like a green success message here, which actually shows import database imported successfully. So that is just that for that. So our installation guide, let's what next there. Set your admin URL to be your site URL slash admin slash en slash login.php with the default login details admin at mail and password is 12345 6. So that's just how you can set up this website. You can see it's very easy to set up. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.